Yo, what's happening, gang? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money, man. Back with a nope. I say back with a what? Yo, what's happening, gang? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money, man. Back with another dope-ass banger for y'all guys tonight, man. I almost kind of got tongue twisted there, man. But, yeah, man. Friday night, man. We out tonight, man. Shout out to my boy, J.I. Productions, man. I'm going to go ahead and drop his YouTube channel right here, man. Tonight is his birthday, man. He's throwing his first ever car meet, man. So it's about to be lit. It's about to go down, man. So y'all need to stick around and stay tuned for that, man. But before I get into this video, man, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, to the video, and everything, man. I'm telling y'all, man, 1,500 subscribers doing a giveaway. And please make sure you watch the full video. But besides all that, man, y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money, man. Let's get into this video.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
Yeah, that's Trent ass. Hey, man, you making all that noise and shit. Yo, what's happening, gang? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money, man. Back with another dope-ass banger for y'all tonight, man. And tonight is Friday night. Today is my homie's birthday, J.I., man. Shout out to you, man. Happy birthday to you, man. This is he throwing his first car meet, man. And you know, of course, man, Misfits. You know, we doing Misfit shit tonight. All the Misfits are here, man. You know, we having a good time. But other than that, though, man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, to the video. And also, man, you got my boy Zay out here. Also, you got my boy Jimmy Salisbury out here. Hey, they got my boy Zay.
Mr. Ooh-wee in the building, man. Say, man, hey, this Camaro nasty, man.
Oh, yeah. Hey, she got that rap, bro.
That thing nasty.
Hey. Hey, people, if y'all ain't following my boy Zay TRD on the channel, man, y'all need, I'm going to drop the YouTube right here.
Man, do that. If y'all ain't following my boy Back to the Money, though, y'all go follow the money. And he dropping mod after mod after mod after mod after mod, man. Go ahead,
you know how we got to do it, brother.
Yes, sir.
Man, people, if y'all ain't following my homie Jimmy Salisbury, man, y'all need to make sure y'all go follow my homie on the YouTube. Man, my boy got the YouTube in the rims, man. Come on. How many people? Y'all drop a comment down below, man. Come on. I haven't seen nobody do this yet, put their YouTube in their rims, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow my homie Jimmy Salisbury, man. Hey, Zay, boy, you look clean, boy. Hold on. Boy, the drill, boy.
I got my hat on. I got a fresh cut. Hey, push out Gio, man. Y'all
hey, I be seeing the cut you do, bro.
Chasing Gio, man. Y'all the fresh fade with the waves popping, man. Hit up, man. Hit up on Instagram.
Them the GPs, huh? I like those, Zay. I like those, yeah. Okay, Zay, I see you, brother. I see you.
We're doing, bro. This
Jimmy,
how
that's
we
what we're doing. That's how we vlogging. Jimmy just walking down with the chest piece. Jimmy, that's how we doing. That's how we doing.
That's how we
hey,
doing,
man,
bro.
y'all know.
Hands free.
Hey, we all the YouTubers in here, man. All the YouTubers in here, man. Make sure y'all follow my boy Zay, Jimmy, J.I. Make sure y'all follow Brian Zine too, man, on YouTube, man. We all out here, man. We having a good time. My boy J.I. birthday. And actually, this is like really my first car meet, bro, back. Like, you know what I'm saying?
That's the crazy thing about it, bro.
Hey, right? Like, bro, I ain't been out yet. This like actually really my first like coming out like ever since. Man, Jimmy, we got cars pulling up, bro.
Yeah, bro, it's going. I see y'all guys got a good little turnout so far.
Hey, yeah, hey, it looks like it's about to be a little lit. You know what I'm saying? We'll get some more cars in here. Okay. I got to fade that copyright, right? Got to walk to the side. Alright.
Alright, bet. It's controlled too. It's not like a lot of drone and everything. It's super controlled and clean. Damn, my bad, bro. My bad.
He made it wrong.
Got me in trouble.
Man.
Jimmy got me in trouble, man.
My bad. I mean, I was just trying to hit it in person, man, because I saw the video and it sounds good.
So what you think in person, brother?
It sounds way better, bro.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
It sounds good, man.
Free pizza. Of course, Thunder will be over here.
Goddamn right. You right. Number. If you got a number, remember it. Goddamn it. 12304. Shit. All right.
Man, gang, y'all in for a surprise, man. JI is about to get ready to reveal the wheels that he put on Vader. Let me go ahead and tell y'all right now, they live. No, I work with the homie. Shout out to my boy JI. Make sure y'all go follow him. I work with him. So y'all make sure, you know what I'm saying, y'all follow him, y'all tap into his channel. Man, it's going down tonight, man. We having a good time, man. I just, you know what I'm saying, we about to get ready for this reveal on his wheels. Hey, y'all know what it is. Till I turn this camera back on, man. It's your boy Back to the Money, man. You good, bro?
I had to pull up.
Yes, sir. Okay, we got some nice ones up here, man. You got your Mustang, the Vet, got your SS, got your Subaru, got your 1LE, got your another SS, man. You got your another, I think that's a 2SS. Man, these things, yeah, no, that's a 1LE. Man, these things right here are nice, people. Man, shout out to my boy JI, man. You know, it's his birthday, man. Y'all make sure y'all show my boy some love, man. Y'all drop a comment down below, man. Wish my boy a happy birthday, man.
Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you.
392 Madness right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is that, Vader?
Wait, which one's Vader?
Yeah, he put the wheels on there. T-Rose in the building.
Well, we got back to the money.
Hey, y'all know what it is, man.
I ain't seen a new whip.
It's right there behind you.
Oh, right here?
Let me give y'all some business cards. I do tattoos right here across the street where it says tattoos.
Okay.
So we'll do you a good deal, both
All right,
of
big
y'all.
dog.
Whenever y'all ready.
All right.
Silverado with the chrome wheels on there. I know you was in on the action too. That bitch is sexy as hell, but I don't want to.
Rolls in the air.
Okay, appreciate it. So, everybody who came out, once again, I want to say thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you to Sippy Paw. And then my very last shout out is to this lady right here, you feel me? My beautiful wife, Joy. If you haven't already, tap in with the YouTube, man. Joy and Joe on YouTube, tap in, go subscribe. We got some content coming on over there. If it ain't for her, I ain't gonna lie to you. The stress will probably take over and now I give up. But she keep me pushing. Quick little, you know, cringe moment, I'm sorry. Other than that, let's turn the music up.
5 minutes later.
There go the police. There go the police. Hey, hey. There go the police. Man, they just riding through. We don't mean no harm. Man, people, if y'all don't follow T-Rose on Instagram and YouTube, man, let me go ahead and show y'all the Instagram right there. Y'all make sure y'all go follow T-Rose, T_Rose, my bad. Let me go ahead and correct myself with that. And y'all gonna follow her on their YouTube at T_Rose too as well. And look, man, you got all like the YouTubers right there, man. You got Jimmy Salisbury, you got ZTRD, you got T-Rose over there. You know what I'm saying? They all over here just huddling up and everything.
You look so cold, man. You look cold,
y'all
man.
cold. What's that? Hey, look at T-Rose. She just over there freezing.
I'm always cold, man.
She over there just like, it's cold. Okay, hey, they don't want to be doing that on West Time at this time of night. Right. Hey, for real. Hey, this is not the spot to be doing that at. Go ahead and turn around, brother. Show what you got on, man. You know what I'm saying? My boy got the money gang on. You know what I'm saying?
Big money green.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, sir. Go ahead.
Oh. Oh, snap.
Get the mods up!
He said,
The mods up!
you said,
Get the mods up! Already your shit tomorrow, my nigga. Let me have some shine.
You said no ribbon, no burnout.
Look, brother, you just hear me. You gotta let me do something.
hey, he did kind of say no reverence or burnout.
No
That's
ribbon, no
exactly what I
burnout.
said. I appreciate
You
it.
said show your ass though.
No, you saw too much. You saw too much. Take it down.
All right, I'm gonna leave it
Then
like
you gotta
that.
go red. That's my color. Do another one. Go back to purple or something. That's my color. Go back to purple or something. That nigga disrespectful with it.
My boy said shit. Don't, hey, change it.
So what?
Man, guys, as y'all can see, man, everybody is wrapping up from the meet, man. Once again, man, shout out to my boy J.I., man. Happy birthday once again, man. First meet in the books, man. It was a success. We had a good time. Y'all know what it is. It's always misfit shit out here, man. Misfit shit. But, man, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, to the video, and everything, man. And that will wrap it up for this video, man. So y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money, man. We out of this thing.